would you
What are you doing? You can't.
Oh, you video me, you fucking asshole. Okay. Fucking just this.
Oh my god.
Dude, I'm just gonna leave it like that.
Yeah, good idea.
Just eventually, like, just fade out.
Let your mom just deal with it.
Alright.
Just leave the dirty dishes in there. And your mom comes home after the weekend. Oh,
Like, what the fuck?
hey! Oh my god! Okay, Santa Claus. Maybe Santa Claus real quick. You're scooping the soap out with a cup.
I'm scooping the water out, so it's not fizzing so fucking much.
It's a fucking dishwasher. It's just gonna fill back up.
I don't fucking get
It's still us getting put it on the floor. Running. What the? Okay. First of all, this is what the fuck happened on the first time. Dude, fucking put more.
We might want to dry this shit up because it's like this is probably leaking.
It's fucking making it worse.
Hey, just don't run it.
How much laundry he's gonna have to do?